YouTube channel today, day 64, covering events for the 2nd of November. So on the 2nd of November, I only exercised for 10 minutes. Again, the goal was only to get on the treadmill for one, but I was late. I got up late in the morning, and I had to take my daughter to school. So I only did 10 minutes in the morning on the treadmill, and I was feeling like really famished, and I just jumped off because I'm on this diet. I'm on a diet, using the Lose It application and watching what I eat. So I did that, took my daughter, my youngest, to school. Then I got a phone call that my middle daughter had gotten sick, so I went and picked her up at the high school. Then I went to the office and did ACA sales. I'm learning. It's a lot of work. It can be very lucrative, but there's a lot of people who are tire pickers and people who are flaky. So it's dealing with those type of people, and it's learning the system. And I'm learning. I am learning the hard way, but I'm learning. So went to the office. My downtown office, did work there. Then I went to the gym. Then I came back. I had a little bit of solar business, a little bit of Book Greek Price, and a little bit of Remote Wellness Academy. And that was my day, a very busy day on day 64. So if you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you again soon.